Wait, is this the point of the game? I have to take off their tops? Is that really it? I'll be honest, I don't think I've played a video game with an actual OP. But what would you expect from something like this? God, please, put something on. This video is so demonetized. Alright, YouTube, I'm sorry in advance, and to all of my young, impressionable viewers, you're welcome. Can you believe that I haven't even played a video game yet? I've been trying to, but the game doesn't let me. Wait, is this the point of the game? I have to take off their tops? Is
Finished from work. Well, time to play some Fire Emblem Warriors.
Fire Emblem Warriors.
Woo!
Fire Emblem Warriors.